Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla in one of his new poses from the new Godzilla and Kong: The New Empire. If you like these videos, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so I can keep making fun videos for you. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with Godzilla, let's begin by drawing his eye. So I'm going to start right up here at the top of my paper, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come back like this. Then we're just going to make a line that's going to come down and then up here. Now I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go right to here. And then I'm just going to draw this line. We're going to come up and then down. I'll make this line come over into here. Next, I'm going to bring this line, we're going to come down and then bring it to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then right to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line, we're going to come up here, and then we'll go down a little bit. Then I'm going to start here, I'm going to curve this around, I'm going to come down and then up here for his jaw. Next, I'm just going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line in and then right to here. Next, I'll bring this line out and down. I'll put a couple little lines right there. Next, I'm going to add a few more little lines that come down here. And then right here, I'm going to bring a line down, and I'm going to make a couple little lines that are just going to come over like this. Just kind of come down and over. Next, I'm going to bring these lines down a little more. Next, right inside of here, I'm going to make a little line for the back of the mouth. And then I'm going to put some sharp teeth right in here, and then some sharp teeth right here. Then we'll put some sharp teeth right there. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw some little curves, and this is going to be like where his gills are going to be. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to come over to here. Then I'm going to draw another line down here, and then a line that's going to come up and then right to here. I'm going to bring this line over. I'm going to curve it up. I'm going to make some lines that are going to come out to a point in. We're going to curve this around and curve one right around here. Next, I'm going to add a couple little points on here for some spikes. Then I'm going to bring a line out and then in for the chest. I'm going to continue this down and in. And then I'm going to bring this down and into here. I want to bring this line down here. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to angle it back for the leg. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to a point and back for one of the toes. And we'll kind of leave it like this because we've got to add some more stuff in here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. And then I'm going to curve this line around and bring it up for one of his claws. I'll bring another line here. And then another line right here. I'll bring a line that's going to come down to a point and up. Bring a line up here, and we'll bring this over. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve a line that's going to come down here for the leg. Then I'm going to bring this line down. Next, I'm going to bring this line over. I'm going to leave a little space here, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it down to here and bring it around there. Next, over here, I'm going to draw this other leg. I'm going to start this line up here, and then I'm going to come down. We'll make a line that's going to come out for one of the toes, and then we'll put another one right here. I'm going to bring this back, and I'm going to bring this up and kind of curve in. And then I'm going to curve a line right here for the back of the leg. Now, before I add any more details on here, I want to get some of his dorsal plates in here. So I'm going to start back here, and I'm going to put some little points on here. And I'm going to start with a little bit of like a smaller row right there. And then I'm going to start making some bigger ones here, just making these different little points on here. So we're just going to keep kind of adding these. They'll start to get a little bit smaller as they get towards the tail. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here and start adding some. And I'm going to bring a little line that's just going to come down to connect. We'll make some more small spikes right there. But then as I get to the bottom, I'm going to put some really big spikes on here because he's got these new really sharp spikes on his tail. And I'm going to put a couple more back behind here. Then I'm going to connect this to here. And we're going to put another set of spikes right there. Next, I'm going to bring this line up here. And then I'm going to add just a couple little curved lines on here. Now up here, I'm going to add a few more big spikes along the back. Just to kind of give it a second row and just to add more detail in here. And I'll put a few behind there. Now I'm going to come in here and I'm going to add another line that goes down and back for a toe. And then I'm going to come in here and add some detail. We'll add a little broken line down here. And then a line's going to come up and down and back up for the chest. We'll kind of continue this broken line down. Then we'll add some more little lines that are going to come in here. We'll add some broken lines here for some detail, and then a few lines kind of right around the leg. Kind of do those same things around the arm. We'll add some little curved lines where the claws are. You can always add a little extra line or two. And then a few more little lines on here for some extra detail. Same thing here. I like to add these little curved lines right along here on the knee, and then I like to add some extra lines coming up and down on the legs here. Kind of make it look curved and everything. We'll do that same thing here, a few little lines, and we'll kind of make these curved lines right on here. We'll put some extra curves right here on the claws of the feet. Then we're going to put some little extra broken lines right along the back of Godzilla. And then put some more right along the tail. Maybe a little extra line on here just to kind of separate the tail from the top to the bottom. We'll put a couple little broken lines in the mouth. And then a couple little lines right here on the face. Few little lines here, and then just a couple little extra lines kind of all over. Then the last thing is I like to add some little lines right along the spikes here, or the dorsal fins. And we're just going to kind of add these all over. Just give it a little bit of texture and detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla from the new Godzilla and Kong, the New Empire. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.